My mother-in-law told me she cleans the oven with a toilet brush, so I decided to try it. Inside, there are spots you can never reach with a regular cloth, and that's exactly where this trick makes a difference. But the steps matter. Grab a toilet brush, ideally a brand new one, and use it only for this purpose. Choose one with dense bristles and a comfortable, longer handle. Rinse the brush with water. The water should be clean and fresh. Let the brush stay slightly damp. Start with the oven rails. That's where grime builds up most often, and it's the perfect time to clean them. Scrub each rail one by one from both sides. The bristles pick up dirt really well and reach into narrow gaps. Then wipe away any leftover moisture with a microfiber cloth. Now move to the top of the oven. This area usually looks the worst. Scrub it thoroughly. The brush gets into tricky spots easily and adjusts to uneven surfaces. Take your time and be thorough. Finish with the bottom. If there are dried-on stains, it can handle those too. Scrub the entire bottom surface. In the end, just wipe everything down, preferably with a dry microfiber cloth, and you're done. Cleaning an oven with a toilet brush is easier than you think, and you immediately know how to clean your oven without chemicals. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Pour hot water onto the baking tray. Add a bit of vinegar, sprinkle some baking soda, squeeze in lemon juice, and toss in the peels. Place the tray in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. The steam will soften burnt food and grease. Finally, wipe everything down with a damp cloth. A shiny oven without using harsh chemicals. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key, because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, no scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping one dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents, specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Did you know those numbers inside your oven actually have a hidden meaning? Most people see them or don't even notice them, but hardly anyone really knows what they stand for. On both sides of the oven, next to the tray rails, there are numbers. And that's not a coincidence. Level 1 is perfect for pizza and baguettes. The heat is stronger from the bottom there, so the base turns crispy and everything bakes quickly. Level 2 works great for meat and fish. At this height, food stays tender inside without burning on the outside. Level 3 is the best choice for cakes. The temperature is most stable there, so the batter rises evenly. Level 4 is ideal for roasted vegetables. It helps you get a lightly browned, crispy top. Level 5 is great for dishes that you want extra golden and ready in just a moment. Just place them there briefly for a restaurant-style finish. These numbers are basically a guide to where you should place your tray so your food bakes evenly and turns out perfect every time. A simple tip that makes baking so much easier. Now you know what the numbers in your oven mean. This is how easily you can clean a burnt oven. No scrubbing, no effort. Ever since I discovered this trick, I can't imagine cleaning my oven any other way. All you need is one gel dishwasher tablet. Place it in an oven-safe dish and pour in about 4 cups of boiling water. Put the dish in the oven, set the temperature to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and close the door. Now just wait 1 hour. The steam from the hot water and tablet spreads through the oven, softening burnt-on grease and food. The active ingredients in the tablet cut through grease, dissolve grime, and clean the surface thoroughly. After an hour, open the oven and wipe the inside with a damp sponge. Even tough burnt residue comes off easily, like it was pulled off with a magnet. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no hassle. Try this trick and watch your oven shine. You'll save time, stress, and money, and the result will truly surprise you. Line your oven with plastic bags. They'll remove all burnt-on grime and grease, often better than expensive chemical cleaners. This simple trick really works and requires no scrubbing or special tools. Start by spraying the entire interior of your oven, bottom, sides, top, and door, with a good oven cleaner. Don't be stingy, as the cleaner is what will break down the grease and baked-on residue. Then take a few plastic bags and press them against every surface. The plastic helps trap moisture and prevents the cleaner from drying out too quickly, giving it more time to work. Dirt and grease literally peel away from the surface. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight for tougher messes. When you remove the plastic, just wipe everything down with a damp cloth. No scraping, no scrubbing, no effort. The grime comes off easily, and your oven will look like new. Finish by drying it off, and that's it. Quick, easy, and super effective. Once you try it, you'll never go back to the old way.